How to install a surface-mounted track. Always take proper safety precautions, such as wearing protective eyewear and appropriate clothing, and having adequate lighting and secure footing. First, unpack all items and lay out your track sections on the floor. If your track was cut for shipping, we supplied splices to join the sections. After laying out your track sections on the floor, attach any splices to the track. Before starting, identify what kind of ceiling you have. This is a T-bar grid ceiling. This is a drywall or sheetrock or finish ceiling. The installation for both ceiling types is the same, except for the type of fastener needed. For the T-bar grid ceiling, use the panhead screws we've provided. For the drywall or sheetrock or finish ceiling, you will need to purchase toggle bolts at your local home improvement or hardware store. To begin, set the cap onto the track without attaching it. Next, hold the track to the ceiling and mark where a screw will go in the middle of the length of the track, and also mark the corresponding spot on the T-bar. When installing on a T-bar ceiling, keep in mind that you want to screw into the metal grid and not the ceiling tiles. Next, you'll need to drill a hole into the track to match the mark you made on the ceiling. Inside the track channel, you'll see a center line that you can use as a guide. Hold the track to the ceiling and screw it into place. If you're installing in a drywall or finish ceiling, hold the track back to the ceiling and mark the ceiling through the holes you drilled into the track. This shows where to create holes for the toggle bolts. Drill those holes. Then hold the track back to the ceiling, install the toggle bolts, and tighten the track into place. Once the track channel is installed with that one screw, install the end stop with pull-out. Now finish securing the track to the ceiling every 36 to 48 inches. Now remove the pull-out from the end stop so you can load the roller carriers. Load them into the track channel and re-secure the pull-out with the screw. Note, if you've also ordered a curtain with your track, count the number of grommets on the curtain before loading the carriers. The 3 carriers per foot we supply typically include a few extra rollers for use if you change the curtain at some future date. The label is always sewn onto the back of the curtain. Before beginning to hang the curtain, choose which side will face which direction. Hang the curtain onto the hooks. If you ordered a tie band, install it now. To properly pleat your curtain, please see our video on how to hang and dress a curtain. Now you're finished. Congratulations! If you have questions, we're happy to help. Call us at 1-800-725-3266 for assistance.